Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy, Wonderin. But if you don't like my video, I'm so sorry. But today, I have the dog. I got it. I just got it. It just came home. No, it didn't come. I just bought it with my daddy. Here's the cookie. Look at him. He's such a cute boy. Oh my gosh.
Come, Bonnie, come. Bonnie. Bonnie.
Hello, Bonnie. I can see you. Bonnie, say hello to YouTube.
Hello.
Bonnie, say hello.
He's scared, still scared. See, he's still scared. He don't know where to go.
Right. Here, say hello.
Because he's new to this environment.
Hello. Guys, I don't think he can bark or talk. I think I also
Bonnie,
don't know.
come.
And his name is Bonnie.
Come.
I said the name. is that? No, Papa. If you want to be the owner, then you must let him smell you first.
He know me already. He don't know you only. Come, let's smell you.
What? Can you?
Okay, come.
Can please tell him do not move?
Come, I get it.
Okay, wait. I need to put the YouTube out. See hello, okay.
See, he's so scared. He's scared. You touch his head here. Touch his head here. Here, like that.
He's trying to bite me.
No, he won't bite you. Touch.
Whoa, that
Touch
was
here.
scary.
Touch here. Yes.
Scared.
He's still scared. See, the body is still shivering.
Yeah, I'm also scared.
He also shivering.
We
He
both
also
are scared.
No need to scared. Bye-bye. Bonnie, no need to scared. Oh my god, you see what's so nice survivor.
Yo, did he lift you everywhere?
Yeah. He said he follow me when I go.
Huh? Oh, yeah. Hey, donuts. Hey. I thought he was going to smell.
Then get used to it first.
Okay. Does this guy even have a tail or not?
Who?
The dog.
What?
The dog have tail, am I correct?
Dog got what?
Dog got tail, am I correct?
Tail.
Ah.
What is tail? Tail.
Tail.
Tail. Yes, there, the tail.
Where?
There. Wait.
Why is it like the same like the body?
Yeah, he got tail. Yeah. See, he's digging me now. Because I bring him home what?
Mm.
Come, I bring go inside. Come, go to our house. Come.
Yeah. He need to get used inside.
Huh?
Oh, yo. Okay, close door. Second door closed. Okay. You better not go upstairs, huh? Because after he can just jump out the window. There's another way. Escaping. What in the world? He's trying to hide behind a plant.
Ask your mommy come down and see. Mommy go where?
Mommy is not here. Mommy is somewhere else. I also don't know where. Mommy go. I see. All I can see is the cat and Rose. All I can see is Rose chasing the cat. Mommy, 那個 dog 來了，在這裡了。
你快叫工人攞出嚟先，唔可以餵佢食嘢，俾佢飲少水啫。
好。
好啦。
Hello, golden doggy. Oh, he looks
Bonnie, is it Bonnie?
Yeah, but what kind of type is he? Is he a
Poodoo. He's called Poodoo. He's
poodoo? Huh? A poodoo in Dogman's story, ah? In Dogman's story? You know that book? Okay, go to YouTube, type Dogman, enter, and then do any kind of chapter, and then you can see poodoo. Then you can see a poodoo with the news guy, with the news girl.
Yes. Good boy.
Papa, please don't
Yes,
tell
good boy.
the
Good boy.
Papa.
Huh?
Can you please tell? Don't
Huh?
chase the cat.
Chase the cat.
Yeah, don't tell the dog to chase.
No, he
Don't.
won't. No, he won't chase the cat.
Huh? Because he's just a poodoo. Ah?
Yeah. He's not that kind of underdog that he will chase.
Whoa.
Sit down.
Poodoo,
Sit.
It's like Dragon's
Bonnie,
Tycoon in
sit,
real life.
sit,
It's
sit.
like, Papa, this is like Dog Tycoon in real life.
Sit down.
Why are you touching his buttock?
I ask you to sit down. I will train you sit down. Sit down.
Say
Sit,
sit
sit.
out loud.
Sit down.
Sit.
Bonnie, sit down. Sit. Come,
I
sit
want
down.
him to recognize
Sit down.
my
Sit,
smell.
Sit. Sit.
Smell.
Your small
Can he-
master. This is your
can
small
he
master.
smell? Hello.
Your small master.
Why he love you so much?
Because I bring him home, he sure he will pour for me first.
But who is his mommy?
I still don't know yet. See, he hide there, he's so scared already.
Why?
He's not there to go
Scared of
anywhere.
you too?
Because he still when I let him get used to the environment, then
Oh
he
my
will
gosh.
be more familiar.
I can see him. Oh my gosh, I thought he's just coming out near me. Oh, I'm so scared. But can you please help?
Come here. Come on. Bonnie, come on, Bonnie.
He
Bunny,
don't. He
come on.
doesn't understand.
Come on.
Say it in dog language. Say in dog language.
No, later part he will understand, but now he just new to us, ma. When we talk to him.
Oh, you must go to school. Bring him to pet school or dog
Later
school.
part, first not today. Today he's so scared. They let him get used to the environment.
Papa, tomorrow can he have dog school?
Tomorrow, where?
Dog school. Can he have dog school?
Ask mommy bring you go lah.
Dog school or pet school? I also don't know got pet or dog.
God, they teach you how to talk, how to communicate with dog and cat lah.
Dog man.
How to communicate? Communicate means talk to the dog.
I thought you said communicate dog man.
No, communicate means talking to the dog. How to talk? Then how to teach them?
Papa, wait. Why does this skin looks like dog man's skin? The dog skin is like dog man's skin. What's up, dog man? I'm gonna call him dog man. No, I'm gonna call him Bonnie. Bonnie.
Bonnie, go.
Bonnie.
Bonnie,
Hello.
go.
Hello. Saying hello. Say hello to YouTube.
Bonnie, go. Go to your small master there. Go.
Don't scratch him too high.
No, you touch him, he will be feeling very.
Wait, who is gonna bath
massage.
him?
Huh?
Who's gonna bath him?
Bath him You
No!
Mommy
I don't know how to bath.
You see mommy how you do it lah. Just scrub his body.
Scrub his body.
And then must
And
blow
who's
hair.
gonna cut
This
his
one also
hair?
must blow like you blow hair like that, boy. Must blow the hair dry also. You see the hair not dry like that, you see? Boy, you see the hair neck like that? This one is dry, this is not dry.
Oh, yo, 杀死人. You want him to get used to the TV?
This is your home, okay? Bonnie, this is your new home. Okay?
Bonnie, this
From
is
today
your...
onward, you stay here already.
Yes. You'll be getting bathed, getting sharp, and we'll be sharpening your hair so it won't get so long like a crazy guy, a crazy dog. And most importantly, blow your hair and bath you and sleep with you. But I'm still not using. I also don't get used to this dog, but I get used to everything, but not this dog.
That's new. But don't worry, this dog won't bite people.
But if we run, then he will come after us.
No,
right?
he won't follow
Because
you.
it's like we're playing games.
No, you run, he still won't follow you because now he's not, still don't know you yet lah. You must play with him first
Then
now.
how do I
Play with him
then
lah. You must touch,
how do he-
get in touch with him first.
get a touch with him?
Touch him lah. No need to
Touch
scare,
where?
no need to worry. He's
Touch
so
where?
scared.
Papa,
Touch
touch
her,
where?
touch him there. It's part, this part. Touch him. Like dog like you touch this part.
Why you keep looking at?
Touch this part. Then he
Oh,
will bite you.
yo.
Don't worry, he won't bite you. He just want to smell you. So he know who you are. He smell you. Yeah.
His brain is too big. I scared later he like a raptor from the Jurassic World, the raptor.
No, he won't.
Sorry guys, they're wrong. Hello, Papa. Say hello to YouTube.
Hello, Bonnie.
Now
How
say
are you
YouTube.
today? I believe you're tired today because you are sitting the car for so long journey. Beginning start, I think he not get used to it later.
But Papa, where's his bed?
Huh?
Where's his bed?
He bed? I think it's in JB.
What?
The father mother is in JB. I think.
Huh?
The father mother in JB.
I go get the.
What thing?
I go
Eat,
get a
you
bed.
want-
I go
Mommy
get a
bought
bed.
you- Mommy say you give him later. Mommy come back. Mommy
But
coming back.
how about a house? He need a house.
Hey, outside got a house. You go and see yourself.
That
Outside.
is that
Not
is
this one.
the
Not this
cat.
one. The other side. The other side. You go outside and see again.
Okay, let's go and check.
Okay, outside. Right side. Yes. You see?
Oh, but where is he gonna sleep?
Tonight he will sleep there. I think your
What?
mom will leave it there. I think, or leave it here. Also can.
Want to see the America Cup song? Do this as a yes. Do this as a no.
Ay,
No, I think that's
well,
it.
iya nak
I'll
boy.
just take that as a no.
Ha, nama nanti lah.
Oh,
Meng-
take that as
nanti
sniffing.
Meng malah balik.
Ada balik.
Mau balik tengok ini.
I really love he smelling me pie. I really love that pie. Can you smell him? Can I smell you too? I'm sorry he cannot smell you too. I'm sorry he cannot smell you. So sorry. Is it just me or is he sniffing the floor?
He's trying to identify the place.
But where is he gonna pee?
Pee ah.
Ah, dog
Temporarily, I think he will anyhow pee. Then we have to train go to the toilet lah.
What?
Training go toilet.
Okay, let's start the training now.
How? I also don't know leh.
I also don't know it. Where does he pee at? He's not even tall enough
Must go
for
to the
that.
toilet. Must go to the toilet. No, he just.
Oh,
pee.
oh, that was a jump scare. I never see
Let
that.
him smell your leg so that he know this. See? Smell.
Oh.
Don't worry. Then he will get used to you. Let him smell.
Ha! That is too
He's
funny.
smelling your leg. Go let him smell lah.
Is
Never
he
mind.
biting my leg softly
licking your
or lick?
Licking your leg so that
He's
he
just licking. Oh my god. Oh yeah, no, he's licking my leg.
Okay, I go bathe for you. Okay? You look after him.
But he's following you.
No?
No, he's following you. What do you mean? You know he's following you under the chair.
I go bathe for you.
Doggy. I mean Bonnie. What say? We see some TV. I mean you'll get used to it, right? Bonnie. Bonnie. What? Hello. Oh, look at that cute baby. So, tama. Si tama. What ini do? Wanna get used to YouTube? Wanna get used to YouTube? Oh, okay. I know you're shy, but you need to get recorded. No, Bonnie. Stand still. Stand still. Don't move. Only move your head. Bonnie, don't move. Sit. Bonnie, sit. Oh gosh, he could really use some training. He could really be going to school. And well, this is the end of my I brought a dog episode. So yeah, bye.